Doing something that's a rather unusual review, something I've never thought to review on this channel, but hey ho, it's what expanding different categories does. So not laundry detergent, not an appliance, or anything laundry care related. Today we're reviewing milk. Vanilla milkshake by Shaken Udder. Discover delicious dairy. It's Vanillalicious. Do a taste test with it, tell you how it is, and it's going to be a very quick review. And you're watching FlorenceBallardA3060 on film. So there's not really much to look at it just from the bottle. I mean, how more simple can you get this? It's milk, there's a cow on it, because milk comes from cows, and goats and sheep can come from as well. Milkshake with no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, which is good. Made with real vanilla beans. I've always been a fan of this one. I picked this up in Sainsbury's and I cannot remember how much for. But it's a 330ml drink, and I don't think I paid much for it. It's fully recycled as well. Love the Udder. Oh my god, a little cheesy advertising. Anyone who's interested in the health and the sort of ingredients and calories, etc., you can pause that and have a look. Let's read the description here. It says, Shaken Udder is a deliciously rich and creamy blend, Princess, you won't like that word, creamy, blend of fresh British milk and real ingredients, specially created to be your everyday wholesome treat that's full of scrumptious natural taste. Enjoy, Howie and Jodie. That must be what they wrote, maybe. Our divinely smooth Vanillalicious milkshake is made with real vanilla beans and is utterly delectable in every way. Get your vanilla fix in a flash. You know what, they're worse than me with the puns. Claire, Shania, you lot view this. Billy, if anyone sees that from work, they'll know what I'm like about puns. B12 for natural immunity support. Less than 5% added sugar. Good source of calcium and protein. We've got enough calcium in our water, to be honest here. No artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. Low fat. Suitable for vegetarians. Gluten-free. Label, bottle and black cap fully recyclable. We believe in supporting British produce, which is why we only use the best British milk. Not Italian or American or anything. This expiry date is tomorrow, by the way. I brought this like 3 weeks ago and I was meant to have it. 4:03 in the morning. Oh, I could have it just after I get up from work and I might be sick. So, 330ml, shake it as usual. So yes, I'm sure that there's no one who needs instructions on how to drink a bottle of milk, but if there's anyone that really needs it, so you'll have to take this and shake it up. Could just thrown it in the 9530. And keep refrigerated at 1 to 5 degrees Celsius. Do not exceed the use by date, which I nearly have. Once open, keep refrigerated and consume within 2 days. I'm guilty of keeping up for about a week. Hey ho, nothing's happened. Right, taste test. Should I do an ASMR? Cringy ASMR. Well, I mean, I don't think anything cringy about ASMR, but I personally think if I did it, it'd be cringy. Let's give it a go. This is me really coming out of my character. This milk, this is like me trying to go, this milk has a maximum taste of 1300 drops per second or something. I'm trying to act like I'm describing a washing machine. Right, cheers. Let's try this. No, nothing too much. I'm not putting that in the outtakes. This is just a fluke. This video is going up. Right. I'm really milking it, you could say. Yeah, I'm starting my puns. That's lovely. let's describe the taste. It is very creamy indeed. It's sweet, but not to a point where it's artificially sweet. Like there are some milkshake drinks I've had. I don't always go for vanilla. I tend to go for chocolate, and some of them are very overdone with their chocolate. But I've had I can't remember who the other one I've had a vanilla one for. There's one from Asda that I buy. It's a large bottle. And I find that it's very sweet. It's overpowering. Some of them do actually have artificial sweeteners added to them, or actual added sugar. But we have a sugar tax here in the UK. That's nice. It's not too... It's also not too thick. Some milkshakes you have are like really thick. Good job I'm not lactose intolerant, because the amount of dairy that I consume on a day-to-day basis is not actually good. Yeah, so there's not really much more I can say about it. You can actually see the vanilla flavouring in it. It looks like pepper. I don't know if you can see that. It's like, yeah, little black specks. I have to keep shaking it up. I'm going to finish it, but yeah. I have another one to review as well. It's quite a fancy looking one. Glass bottle. Both of these are bought from Sainsbury's. So, all I'm going to say is if you want to know where to buy it, pretty much any supermarket, superstore, or local newsagent should sell. Well, I don't know about newsagents, but like local, like say Tesco Metro, Tesco Express, Sainsbury's local, even like your Esso garage and all will have this. It's quite common. You'll find it in a lot of places, but Sainsbury's definitely, I know, sell it. Tesco definitely have it. But I suppose it's better like if you're not wanting to like consume so much fat. Someone like me who is very guilty of consuming a lot of sugar and whatnot, which is why you find me doing a lot of these walks on the Thames, trying to burn it all off and move my washing machines around. But yeah, no, this is by Shaken Udder. It'd be nice to compare it to other milkshakes. Hey, if you guys want me to do more food and drink reviews, please tell me, because I'll honestly do it. Like, it'd be nice to start doing other things in washing products and whatnot. I've been doing reviews for well over a year now. Pardon me. So at least I actually covered my mouth there. I hope this video doesn't get age restricted. And no, doesn't anyone. I'm not going to encourage people. Jordan, don't, or Charlie, to put anything dirty in the comments about me drinking milk. I know I'm expecting it. So go on, like Dirty Harry would say. Go ahead, make my day. So, yeah, that's very nice. I could drink that all in one go, basically. But I'm not going to, because I'm probably going to end up being sick, because it's about 10:35 at night, and I need to go to sleep in about another hour, so I might end up having a stomachache. I hope I don't, because I've already done that a few times. Consume dairy before I go to sleep, yeah. Even though it's not as thick, I would probably just tell you don't consume it before you go to sleep. I'm probably going to have to sit up for another hour or so. I believe they do bigger bottles than this. This is the 330ml one. But it has got, yeah. I have seen bigger ones. I don't know where, but I will have to look and see if they do. I'm sure there are. So the ingredients are semi-skimmed milk, sugar stabilizers, cellulose gum, carrageenan, I think that's pronounced. Natural flavouring, vanilla seeds for allergens. See ingredients in bowl. So milk is your only allergic reaction you can have. Thankfully I'm not allergic to any of that. But I am allergic to pollen fibres, which is why certain fruits I'm unable to enjoy. Well, I'll still eat them, I just have to take my hay fever medicine. Right, so this little review. I hope you guys also enjoyed the train video I did of the Jubilee line. And for those who are my loyal subscribers, who know all about my channel, your favourite machine is coming out to play in another video soon. Probably tomorrow I'm going to film it. I don't expect this video to get any views really. Vote in the well, not vote, but put in the comments, would you guys want me to actually try an ASMR spoken video? So not like a white noise video, but me actually doing like a review of something in ASMR. It might be a bit cringy, because I don't think I do very well with that, but I'd be willing to explore. So if you don't know what ASMR is, it's when you You talk quietly, whisper, you just, so like you do all that. I'm not good at it. Maybe I could do a video of loading a washing machine in ASMR style. Maybe the sound of the clicks on the dial off the Hotpoint 953L or the dial on the Miele. Or powder. I don't know, something. I know ironing's good for ASMR. Right guys. So next time, you're out shopping in Tesco, Sainsbury's, Morrison's, wherever you go. Asda, I'm not missing any. I don't know. Oh, well, these are British, so obviously Walmart wouldn't have them for any of my American viewers, but I suppose you'd have something very similar. They'd be full sugar in America, and that actually does taste a lot nicer. But it's nice to have some natural one as well. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Hope you utterly enjoyed that. As much as I did. Sorry, I know I'm just milking it right now. Alright, I'll stop before I get a slap. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and don't forget to keep it supreme and go with the flow.